In the last video, we removed the Fiesta engine and made a pretty shocking discovery. And because of that, the Fiesta's done, well, pretty much nothing really.
And while doing all of that, nothing, things have started to grow inside our Fiesta, making it an actual biohazard.
In this video, we're going to scrub the car inside and out, and by the time we're done, I would even eat my dinner off the floor.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
It's not that bad.
It's like The Last of Us in there.
Sweet curry. So first of all, we have to get the car back on the ground and rolling again so that they can get it outside for a deep clean. We reconnected the suspension, loosely reinstalled the body panels and pushed it outside.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the... no.
Well done, mate.
With the car now outside, it was time for a pre-rinse, followed by snow foam, and then we got the mitts out.
We rinsed the car off and sprayed it down with fallout remover.
And for anyone that doesn't know, a fallout remover essentially removes any tar, brake dust, glue, anything that can get stuck to your car's paint, it will remove it.
So even though your car actually looks clean, it might not be.
We waited 5 minutes for it to turn pink, and then rinsed it off.
The car's already looking better on the outside, but now it's time to tackle the inside.
Stuart, I think the previous owner might have been partial to a wee McDonald's.
Well, I mean, I don't want to stereotype anyone, but it is a Fiesta, mate.
I mean...
Look at your toes out for this.
14 dips? Who needs 14 dips, and why were you saving them? What's that? It's a torch. Oh, it does work.
So we're at 14. How many more will we find?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What?
19.
Double figures.
20.
Yay.
21, 32.
Oh!
That was just
Flashed
no.
everyone. What?
Why do you need so much dip? Strawberries and cream, Stuart?
No.
How much?
The other packet looks sealed. I like them. That is sealed.
Butterscotch drops.
Oh. I wish it was still doing prudent.
How much? How much? Oh, mate, that is inside.
Oh.
No, that is inside that, mate. Come on.
If I thought that zombie, then you know why. We quickly get rid of the sauce collection and remove the front seats, as we're going to give them and the carpets a deep clean. It's been a week and I'm not a zombie or dead, so good news of that. Unfortunately means we have to clean this interior still.
So to clean the interior, we're going to be using a wet vac. And now we've already put a cleaning solution in this, which is meant for upholsteries. And all we're going to do is use this to spray down all the seats. Hopefully with this, we can make these seats look almost brand new. And with just a couple of minutes work, one seat is done, and look at the difference already. Now it was onto the rear bench, which was 100% the worst part of this car's interior. So again, I sprayed the shampoo all over the material, gave it a scrub, and finally vacuumed it all back out, and wait till you see the colour of the water. So here is a 50-50 shot. That side's been done, that side hasn't, and if you remember, that was the bad side that had all the really bad mould and stuff down in here, and now it looks brand new. How are you getting on?
I'm doing really good actually, the interior's come up pretty well. So I've hoovered all the carpets. I'm using a nylon brush on a drill just to agitate the carpet, then I'm using the hoovers to pick up all the mess, and yeah, it's coming up pretty good.
It's looking much better.
Looking pretty much.
Much better,
So
Stuart.
once we finish this, we'll then get all the dash wiped down and kind of get all the glue and sticky residue off it and clean the seat belts because they're a bit funky. Yeah. Oh! I'm not drinking that.
That's what you...
No amount of money I'm drinking that.
That came out the seats, mate.
Oh, that's disgusting. That looks like poo water.
That's absolutely horrendous, isn't it?
Oh, that's nasty. Hey, seats looking?
Brand new.
No.
Yeah.
Oh. Interior's looking good.
It is looking good. What do you think?
Don't look at the same seats.
brilliant now.
Good. Yeah, they look really, really good. Hard to
So-
believe that is the mouldy seats.
I know.
No.
So now we just need to shampoo the carpets and probably the top half of the rear bench.
Yep.
Which is exactly what we done.
While he was doing that, I started scrubbing everything with an all-purpose cleaner. And we were cleaning everything on this car, not just the bits you can see. Now it's time to give the plastics a vinyl dress. Now, this isn't the most appealing bottle in the world. It is very, very old, but it's very good.
It actually looks like a weird, like, fifth wheel grease or something.
Yeah, it's disgusting. We coated all the plastics in this dressing, which gives it a slight satin sheen, which we think looks great.
Some people might find it weird that we're cleaning the car in between, but realistically, this is for us.
Yeah.
Like, this is to make us feel better about the car, because it was so gross and so disgusting that everything we do now is just going to be so much, it's going to feel so much better as opposed to how it was.
It smells so good.
It smells so good. I love this car.
Yeah, that vinyl dress is amazing.
Second video, and I love this car more than the last car.
You hated the last car.
I did. At the end, I hated the last car. I love this car. This is the first car I ever bought brand new.
I had a brand new Mark 7. Not an EcoBoost, but I had a brand new Mark 7 in 2011.
Mine was in 2016, and it was one of the first ST lines in Scotland, because they had just changed from ZTEC S to the ST line.
Enough reminiscing. We finished up cleaning and got all the seats back in. And the interior is looking great.
We'll let the car sit for a week with the doors open to allow air to flow through the car and stop it from growing its own ecosystem again. Unfortunately, it's the time of day a job nobody wants to do, which is cleaning the glass. But it does make everything 10 times better, and it is a bit of a job that a lot of people forget about. But when it's done, it just makes the car look
So much better. You're actually much better at cleaning glass than me. I hate it.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, I hate it.
Maybe I just care less. I'm just like, wee!
So what's the process for this, Rory? Spray it on, give it a good wipe, and then buff it off?
Sure.
Same as polish?
Sure.
For somebody that knows not
Wipe
clue
it.
what they're doing
Wipe
really
it
good.
till it's clean.
Very good answer.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
No, I know, but you're doing really good. So now we've got the car clean as we can get it. We need to give it a machine polish. We've got our Dash 6 here. We've got an orange waffle pad, which is a medium compound, and I've got adaptive cut polish and cut. Nothing too severe on this. We're not going to spend a huge amount of time refining it perfect, but we want to try and get it as good as we can. So an adaptive cut, medium compound pad. We'll give it a quick once over. We'll buff it off after that and we'll see what we're at. If anything needs refined more, we have got other pads in our compound. We can then go a bit deeper, refine it off, and then give it a final polish.
We've done a quick test panel on the passenger wing to see how the paint would react.
Thank you well.
And it's came out brilliant. On to the rest of the car.
While I was polishing, I had Rory follow behind me, buffing it off and taking notes about any imperfections I'd have to go back over. Here, I'm slowly going over the roof in a crisscross pattern for full coverage. I'm also working in sections so it's easier to know where I've been and what I've still got to do. The trick is to take it slow but also keep moving so you don't accidentally burn through the paint. Here is the finished result. We've spent a good 4 or 5 hours tonight getting the car polished, got the carpet cleaned, got the seats cleaned, and I think it's looking amazing. The race red really does pop when it's had a good polish. It's not 100%, we will still finish polishing other bits and refining a bit more. But I think it's looking amazing. Now moving on to the inside, you've seen how bad this was before. There was a lot of mould, there was rubbish. It really wasn't a nice place to be, and it was a bit of a biohazard. But now it is a lovely car. Eat off this and be quite safe and happy. It is really, really clean in here now.
Really hope you're all enjoying the little Fiesta series. Make sure to leave a like, a comment, tell us what you think of the car and how we're getting on, and subscribe because it really helps the channel. Hopefully we'll see you again in 2 weeks' time.